In 3, 2, 1. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'll be the one if you want me to. And anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all. And I stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I will follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I will swallow my pride. You're the one that I love, and I'm saying goodbye. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. And anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Say Something by A Great Big World on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to you watching. We have reached 100,000 subscribers. Can we get a round of applause? Yeah, we did it. We hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel, and I can't thank you enough. It's because of you and engaging with these videos, watching these videos, leaving a like, subscribing, and commenting is how we reach this. So thank you so much for you for watching. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe down below. The subscribe button looks like this. It will be red. If you click it, it is free. It'll turn gray and you'll be subscribed to the Uke Fam, the best Uke Fam on the YouTubes. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke? Well, this is my signature ukulele. As you can see, it has the RS logo on the 12th fret. It's by Leolani. I partnered with them. It's a Hawaiian company, and I got to design the entire thing. Look at how beautiful and glossy and shiny and just amazing she looks. I'll leave a link down below if you do want to get my personal signature ukulele. They're a limited stock, so make sure to get yours before they sell out. Also, if you do want to save some money when you get my signature uke, you can use code Ricky10 at checkout, and you'll save an automatic $10 off. Who doesn't love to save money? I know I do. So again, if you do want to go shop all of their ukes, but specifically if you want to get my signature uke, highly recommend. Again, look at that. She's beauty. She is grace. Look at the glass. Again, you can use code Ricky Ricky10 at checkout. Also, if you do want to go support this channel, links to my Patreon and also my merch will be down below. And also all of my other socials, everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And again, thank you so much to you watching for us hitting 100,000. It's not just me hitting, but it's us. I want to do a awesome giveaway for hitting 100,000 and thanking everybody. So we'll do probably, maybe. Let me know if you want to do a giveaway for my signature uke. I'd be so down. So let me know in the comments below what we should be do for our 100,000 subscriber milestone. Let me know what kind of giveaway you want and we'll do it. Again, if you want me to give away one of these signature ukes, I'm down. All right, thank you so much for watching. That is it, pretty much it for me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.